we're gonna go through the first chorus of Home Run by 17 because we just went through it in our Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop last week. It was a lot of fun. At the end of the workshop, we finally got into the formation and danced the first chorus very well. So, hope you guys gonna have fun watching our dance cover at the end of this video. In this video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the first chorus, and at the end of the tutorial, we're gonna try with the actual music. So hopefully you guys can join me. Also, before we start, I would like to announce you guys that we actually have this workshop in person in Arizona every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. We also offer a free workshop on our Facebook group called Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop, and both are open for any levels and ages. So if you like K-pop or dancing, please feel free to join us. All of the information are in the description below. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today we're gonna start on 1. We're gonna start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First, if you have a pocket, you can put your hands in your pocket, and we're gonna kick with the left foot, and then you're gonna slightly jump. Now you're gonna cross the foot and bring it forward and the feet together. Okay? Kick, cross, front, in. Now we're gonna switch. Kick with the right leg, cross, front, knee extended. Good. Alright, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, cross, front, in. Kick, cross, front, in. Good. Now when you cross it, you can face the direction where your leg crossed. Okay? First you're gonna face right. Kick, right, kick, in. Switch, kick, left, kick, in. The last one, when you bend your knee, you're gonna cross your hands in front of your chest. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna open the arm and kick with the right leg and step a little bit with the left foot. Now we're just gonna jump and switch to the right. We're gonna go turn around all the way 180 and then step to the left, face back, and put the right foot down, just like this. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and up, right, left, step. Now we're facing backwards. What we're gonna do is we're gonna move the chest or upper body back, front, back. That's it. 3 times. Back, front, back. The last one, you're gonna put the right heel down and throw the arms forward, lower. Good. Boom. Back, front, back. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, and kick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're gonna turn around on your right shoulder, take your left knee up, and then face front. Good. Hands on your body. Good. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and up, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna go shake. Yes, bring your arms next to your face. You're just gonna shake and punch. Good. Punch with your right arm. And then extend your left leg and then look down on the left as well. Shake, punch, and punch, shake, punch, and up. Good. In a count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. On 8, you're gonna pull your elbows and step to the right. Good. And then we're gonna face right. Next, we're gonna turn around all the way to the right. So take your right knee and the right elbow and face left, face right, yes. And then last thing, you're just gonna take your left foot back, bring your arms over, and get lower. Good. Now we're gonna take the left elbow, pull it, and then just gonna switch the arm and then kick with your right foot. Kick. Good. That's it. From the shaking part, 5, 6, 7, 8, shake, punch, punch, shake, punch, step. Now, right, step, back, 5, 6, pull, kick. Alrighty, now we're halfway through. Let's do from the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, cross, step, in, kick, cross, step, in, step, 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 step. 5, 6, 7, shake. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, step, switch. Backward. 5, 6, pull, kick. Good. Alright, in a count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shake. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, together and bring your right arm up. And we're just gonna switch. Good. Right, left. And we're gonna step back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How we're gonna do this? After pull and punch. Now first, just gonna take your right arm and left arm switch. Your legs just gonna be right, left, right, step, slide in. Good. Right leg back, left, right, step, and slide. Okay? Alright, your arms after this. First, put your hands in front of your chest. Now close your armpit. Open one more time. Slide your body and face left. Good. And then you're just gonna flip the hands in, out. Good. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Now when you step back, you can also add your body move up and down. 1, 2, up, down, 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 down. To look a little bit cooler. Yeah. Alright, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna punch to the left with your right arm. And then switch your arm, grab your head with your right hand, extend your left arm down. Now we're gonna go all the way to the right. Good. No time to face front. After you grab your head, you're just gonna go all the way right. Good. Bend your knees as well. And then we're gonna go bounce, bounce. Good. Keep your left arm up. Yeah, almost the same height as your shoulder. You're just gonna snap, 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 snap. Focus on your left toe. When you snap it, you're just gonna bounce, bounce, and jump, jump. Here we go. Bounce, bounce, bounce. We're gonna go twice. So, after 7 and 8, punch, head, turn around, and bounce, bounce. Now face front and open your legs. Slightly bend your knees, hands on the back, clap, hands up, clap. Now bring your hands down and touch your right foot down. Now open your left arm, keep your right hand next to your ear. Now, as soon as you open your right arm, you're gonna move the neck left, right, left, and then grab your body. Last one, you're just gonna turn around on your left shoulder and point up with your left finger. You can keep your right hand on your hip. Good. After bounce, bounce, back, up, leg, pose, right, left, right, grab, turn around. Good. When you move your neck left, right, left, you can gradually get lower, lower, lower. Open your knees and then grab yourself and turn around. Good. In a count, 5, 6, from the bounce, 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 back, up, leg, pose, left, right, left, grab, turn around. Alrighty, so let's start with the beginning of the second half. After pull and kick. 5, 6, pull, kick, up, up, step back. 5, 6, 7, and 8, punch, head, turn around, and bounce, bounce, back, up, leg, pause, left, right, left, grab, turn around. Woo! Alrighty, so let's put all of the choreography together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and kick, cross, kick, in, kick, cross, kick, in, step, 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 step. 5, 6, 7, shake. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, step, switch, right, back, 5, 6, pull, kick, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, punch, head, turn around, and bounce, bounce, back, up, leg, pause, left, right, left, grab, turn around. Woo! Alright, we're gonna go with the count and the trail with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Woo! Alright, let's do with the music. this helped you to get your choreography done. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know with the comments down below. Also, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!